So this is inside the blog post. If you see this on blog SEO. So this is the post I'm gonna be going. You'll see, and I got images and stuff like here, but I want to show you the one that I ranked. I'll be doing one more blog post, and from here on for pretty much the rest of the year, I'm going to be focusing on SEO inside Instagram. I will do some tips and tricks on every Wednesday still, but maybe you might do one or two more blog posts and I'm done for the year, for the reason that from there all I'm doing is just ranking posts. But what I want to do is I want to show you inside of here what I was talking about on the blog post. If you haven't went there, go over there and go check it out. So distract from the links, because those are not important right now. So like the keywords, you want to do that, and you want to put pressure on the focus word. And here, let me see if this image is focused on the keywords or not, because I can't remember. So we go in here. I'll probably be putting one other video, is how to actually update before you distribute your content, what you need to do. So I might make that one the next post. And plus I got a couple guest posts coming, so I gotta put everything together for those. And it's not in here, really? Where'd it go? I don't think it is. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, so this one right here, yeah, it's got power likes, and I didn't ever add this in, but what you can do, and if you really want to get technical, and this really does help if you add a description and you come all up in here and you do all the images and all the descriptions, and you come and you edit the image a little more and really give it like a link. I'll show that a little later when I actually do that, but right now I'm not doing that right now. So I just want to show you the basics of getting your content. So that'd be pretty much it. You don't really need to put a description, but it helps for the search engine to know what it is. So that'll be one of the first things you do. So I'm gonna update this, and just to show you I'm not full of fucking shit. Let's do it. Instagram. Power likes, and I'm not going to go into the private window today, but that is where you'd see the actual ranking. So if you come in here, you would do that, and before you upload your images, you actually want to name your images. And right here, actually, 1, 2, 3. You usually switch it between 3 and 4 usually. I haven't got that scale up to here, which I'd be driving a lot more traffic to, but in the end it's all good. So as you see, okay, now let's scroll back down, and what you'll see is this. Okay, now let's go. Okay, density. Look, I only use my keywords 7 times, like the actual focus keyword, and it's a little over 1,300. You don't need these huge ass blog posts, is what people are telling you that you need to do. Sometimes short is better. Keep it sweet, unless you got a lot of images and videos. Especially with videos, people are more clean to stay on. As you see, I have 1, I have 2 videos on here. I absolutely explain to them what's going on. So if you're using WordPress, you're able to use tags. Tags really are not very useful inside of Google, but they are still useful for Bing. Next, you really just want to sprinkle your keywords around. I have a download on my blog if you're on YouTube, but if you're already on my blog, then there is the downloads will be for that free ebook. It's gonna be up top. So from there is what you're gonna do. Look, it's just the focus keywords used 7 times, and so you add in your title and you add in your metadata and you see up top here that I use Instagram marketing and Instagram power likes inside of my link. This is a must. Your 12 freaking Z2472 is not going to work. That's an ugly text, and Google won't really know what the hell it is. Next, what you want to do is, I don't know if I got it in mine. I don't usually always do it. And you put Instagram like power likes. Oh yeah, it's right here. In your first paragraph. And then you're done. Okay, so you want to label categories. Is this really a lot to cover for a short video, because I wasn't trying to keep on here that long. But just realize these videos need to link back to your blog, and both of these do. As you see, I have no images on this entire freaking post, but I do have videos. So videos are going to make people stay. If they click on them, they'll watch them, they'll stay on, and then be like, oh, look, he's got videos and all this. I'll be updating this video actually for Instagram DM groups, because I'm gonna be doing another post. So the next couple videos that be coming out is gonna be about DM groups and about how to market your business on Instagram. I have one more SEO blog come in, and after that I go on to just ranking the rest of these blog posts, because in the end, this is what I'm good at doing. But anyways, this is it. This is basically all the technical nonsense of the on-page stuff. So it's pretty much URL link, keywords, mix up keywords. Next is focus keyword 3 to 7 times, right? And then add images and videos. I haven't done no images on mine. You don't always have to do images. Everyone's like, oh, you need to have a bunch of images in. No, you don't. But anyways, this is the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.